In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order clothes from Pinterest. Pinterest is a great place to discover outfit ideas, trends, and specific clothing pieces you may want to buy. But it's important to understand that in many cases, Pinterest itself is not the actual store. Instead, it often helps you find products through shoppable pins that lead you to a retailer's website. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to search for an item, check the product details, and then go to the seller's site to place your order. To get started, open Pinterest on your phone or computer. Once you're on the home screen, go to the search bar and type in a description of the clothing item you want. Be as specific or as broad as you like. For example, you might search for something simple like summer dress or leather jacket. If you already have a certain style, color, or fit in mind, adding those details can help narrow down the results and make your search more useful. After you enter your search, Pinterest will show you a selection of pins related to that clothing item. Browse through the results and look for a pin that catches your eye. When you tap or click on a pin, pay close attention to whether it appears to be a shoppable product pin. These product pins usually include useful shopping details such as the price, item availability, and a button labeled something like visit or shop. This information can help you quickly decide whether the item is worth exploring further. If the product looks good and you want to learn more, select the option to visit the site. This will open the external retailer's page in a new window or tab. Depending on the pin, this could take you to a major fashion store, a marketplace, or a smaller boutique website. From there, you can review the clothing item more carefully, check sizes, read the product description, and confirm that the listing matches what you saw on Pinterest. One helpful tip is to take a moment to compare details before buying, especially since Pinterest is acting as the discovery platform and the purchase happens on the seller's website. Make sure the item, color, size options, and price are what you expect once you arrive at the retailer's page. And that's how to order clothes from Pinterest. Search for the item you want, open a product pin with shopping details, and then visit the retailer's website to continue the purchase. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.